Let's learn how to publish our models from Rhino to AtStudio in about a minute. So if you head to at.studio in a web browser, you can visit our website and just click on the pink publish button to begin publishing. There's two ways to publish a model online with AtStudio. The first is through Rhino using our plugin, and the second is by dragging and dropping a .gltf file here. So if you're not using Rhino, you can still publish, just export your model to gltf. I'm going to download the plugin for Rhino for Windows and install it. So this will run on Rhino 5 and Rhino 6, and it just adds one command to Rhino, which is the AtStudio Publish command. So let's jump into Rhino and have a look. I've got my model here that I'm going to use as a demo, and you can publish both 3D and 2D content from Rhino to AtStudio. So let's use the Rhino picture command to put a couple of 2D images into our model. Let's put in that one and this one. So these could be drawings or photographs, any 2D content, and you can also place PDFs in the same way using the Rhino picture command. So I've got my presentation set up, ready to roll, 3D model, my 2D images, and I'm just going to type publish to upload that model to the web browser. So using Google Chrome, we get a preview of our model. All materials come through, so do vertex colors. We get a simple sort of shaded environment, and this is just a preview of our model before we begin uploading. So if we're happy with this, we can click on the share button to publish our model to a studio room in AtStudio. This room name can be any existing studio room, or you can create a new one. I'm going to publish a demo room for the purposes of this tutorial. If the room exists, you'll be prompted to add your model to the room. And if it doesn't exist, you'll be prompted whether or not you would like to create it. So I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with this one. That upload's finished, and now I can visit my model in a web browser. This link, at.studio/demo room, that's a link to the studio space, and the rest of the URL is a link specifically to my model. So I can copy that URL and share it with anybody who wants to view this model in a web browser, both on desktop and on mobile devices.